Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Delta Executor on PC. But before that, if you don't know what is Delta Executor, it is a third-party exploit tool used primarily for executing scripts in the game platform Roblox, in which it allows users to inject custom Lua scripts into Roblox games, enabling various cheats, hacks, or gameplay modifications such as auto-farming, teleportation, or speed enhancements. And to start downloading it, just simply go to the Google search bar and search Delta Executor. Upon searching on it, kindly select or click the first link that come up. By clicking on it, you'll be directed to this page. And from here, it will show you where you can download the Android, Windows, and any other operating system, but just choose the Android instead of Windows. And from here, you can simply click the download button to continue, or you could also simply watch the advertisement in here and click the download button to proceed. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, it will show you additional kind of info, including the step on how you can start using this Delta Executor. It will show you also below how you could also apply it directly on your Roblox. And now after clicking the download button and start downloading the file of Delta Executor, the next thing that we need to do is to simply apply it or simply import the file that we just upload to our BlueStacks. So in order to do that, kindly select or simply install the BlueStacks. So just simply click or go to your google.com and search the BlueStacks. Upon clicking the first link that come up, right here all you need to do is to simply download the BlueStacks by clicking the button below. Download BlueStacks. Upon doing so, all you need to do is to simply open your BlueStacks. After that, just simply import the file of Delta Executor in order to open it as your PC, since what we just simply download is the file, which is the Android file of Delta Executor. So in here, upon opening the BlueStacks after downloading it, all you need to do in here is to simply click the start button on the top left corner, as you can see in here. So by simply clicking this button right here, you will automatically be directed on this page. And from here to proceed, you can select the System Apps button right here or option. And kindly select this folder in here in order to import the files. Then you will automatically be directed in here and just proceed by clicking Import from Windows. So after that, all you need to do is simply select the file of Delta Executor that we just download from Chrome or to our Google. In here, after uploading it, you can automatically install and play the Delta Executor to your Roblox in here. But make sure first already downloaded the Roblox application in here before applying the Delta Executor in your script. So basically, this Delta Executor is important since it is also free alternative to paid executors, and it typically doesn't require a key system or subscription. But overall, that is just basically how you can download Delta Executor on PC.